Creating cartoon videos has never been easier thanks to AI-powered tools like Vyond. Whether you're a content creator, teacher, or business owner, Vyond allows you to produce high-quality animations without needing prior design experience. Here's how you can create your cartoon videos step by step. Step 1. Sign up and log in. Visit judo.vyond.com and create a free trial account. After signing in, you'll land on a user-friendly dashboard that's perfect for beginners. Step 2. Choose a template. Vyond offers a wide variety of pre-designed templates tailored to different purposes like marketing, education, or storytelling. Select one that matches your project's theme to get started quickly. Step 3. Customize your characters. Use Vyond's character creator to design unique cartoon characters. Adjust their appearance, outfits, and expressions to fit your story. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your animation. Step 4. Add scenes and animations. Drag and drop scenes from the library into your timeline. You can animate your characters to walk, talk, or perform actions using intuitive controls. Vyond's AIA ensures smooth transitions and realistic movements. Step 5. Insert voiceovers and text. Record your voice or upload an audio file for narration. Alternatively, use Vyond's AI text-to-speech feature for natural-sounding voiceovers. Add text boxes for titles, subtitles, or dialogue to make your video more engaging. Step 6. Fine-tune and preview. Use the timeline to adjust the timing of scenes, animations, and voiceovers. Preview your video to ensure everything flows seamlessly. Step 7. Export and share. Once satisfied, export your cartoon video in HD quality. Share it directly on platforms like YouTube or download it for other uses. Vyond simplifies the animation process, making it accessible for everyone. Start your journey today and bring your ideas to life with captivating cartoon videos. Thanks for watching.